If you're paying $2,000 to open a Hong Kong company in 2026, you're overpaying, and here's the $600 fix. Here's the problem: formation agents are hiding the real cost structure. Skip the corporate secretary package and save $800 in year 1 by bundling only what you need. File your own business registration form online in 48 hours and cut agency markup by 60%. Hong Kong company formation in 2026 costs between $600 and $3,500 depending on what you buy. Most people pay for bloated packages they don't need. A non-resident founder wants to sell online globally and picks a $2,400 package with nominee directors and a virtual office, then realizes 8 months later they never used either service. That's $1,200 wasted. The cheapest legal path is incorporating yourself using the government portal, paying only the $240 business registration fee, then adding a registered address for $360 per year. Total first-year cost is $600. You can scale services later when revenue justifies it. Most people fail here by buying the full-service package on day 1. Agents push $1,800 to $3,000 bundles with nominee directors, corporate secretary, virtual office, and bank intro meetings. You don't need any of that to incorporate. The company's registry in Hong Kong accepts online applications directly. You only need a registered address, which costs $360 per year from providers like Bastion Formations if you handle the rest yourself. Paying for nominees upfront locks you into annual renewals at $600 to $900 each. Go to the Hong Kong company's registry website and file Form NNC1 yourself. The government filing fee is $240 in 2026. Processing takes 1 to 4 business days if your documents are clean. You'll need a Hong Kong registered address, which Bastion Formations provides for $360 per year with mail scanning included. Your total cost so far is $600, and you own the company outright with no middleman markup. Open a business bank account after incorporation. This is important because most agents charge $800 to $1,200 for a bank introduction, but you can apply directly. HSBC Business Banking and Standard Chartered both accept non-resident applications in 2026. Bring your Certificate of Incorporation, your passport, and proof of business activity like a client contract or website. Approval takes 2 to 6 weeks. Skip the agency introduction fee and save another $900. Here's the problem with the two paths. Path A is paying an agent $2,400 upfront for a full package, waiting 7 to 10 days, and renewing services you don't use at $1,200 per year. Path B is filing yourself for $240, adding a registered address from Bastion Formations for $360, and opening your bank account directly. Path B costs $600 in year 1 and saves you $1,800. Once your company is live, you need a corporate secretary within 6 months under Hong Kong law. Most formation agents bundle this at $600 to $900 per year. Bastion Formations offers standalone corporate secretary service for $480 annually in 2026, and it includes your annual return filing. Use this exact search phrase when comparing providers. Hong Kong Corporate Secretary Annual Return included 2026. That phrase filters out agencies that charge separately for filing. You'll also need to file your first annual return within 42 days of your incorporation anniversary. The government fee is $105. Bastion Formations handles the filing as part of the secretary package, so your total year 2 cost is $585 for compliance. Hong Kong Corporate Secretary Annual Return included 2026. File NNC1 yourself for $240, add registered address for $360. Skip nominee directors and virtual office bundles, save $1,200. Open bank account directly, skip $900 introduction markup. If this saved you money, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations for your Hong Kong registered address and secretary service. Visit https://bastionformations.com.